Struggling to keep your team happy and your books balanced with recurring payroll? Are you tired of the last-minute scramble every pay period, worrying if everyone's getting paid on time and correctly? If you're using Wave Payroll, you know it's a great tool for small business owners and entrepreneurs to manage their finances. But even with powerful software, recurring payroll can feel like a mountain of paperwork and steps. It doesn't have to be. Today, we're diving into the essential tips and tricks to make your recurring payroll processing in Wave as smooth as a fresh jar of peanut butter. We're talking about saving time, reducing errors, and getting back to running your business. 3 essential Wave tips for smooth recurring payroll. 1. Master the setup. Review, review, review. The key to smooth recurring payroll is a flawless initial setup. Think of it as building a solid foundation. Before your first live run, meticulously review your employee profiles and payroll settings. Employee details. Double-check things like tax withholdings, W-4s, direct deposit information, and hourly rates or annual salaries. A typo here means a headache later. Pay schedules. Ensure your pay schedule, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, is correctly set up and aligns with your business's policy and, crucially, your state's regulations. Tax accounts. Confirm that your federal and state tax accounts are accurately linked and set up for e-filing and e-payment if Wave supports it in your region. A single mistake can lead to fines. Getting this right up front is the biggest time saver you'll ever find. 2. Embrace automation. Set it and forget it, mostly. Wave is designed to automate, so let it do the heavy lifting. Default hours. For your salaried or standard hourly employees, utilize the option to set default hours for the pay period. This prevents you from manually entering the same numbers every single time. You only need to adjust when someone takes vacation or sick leave. Recurring deductions. Are there recurring deductions, like health insurance premiums or retirement contributions? Set them up as recurring items. Wave will automatically apply them on every payroll run. This eliminates the chance of forgetting an essential deduction. Direct deposit. Always use direct deposit. Not only is it convenient for your employees, but it's also automated through Wave, drastically reducing the time spent on printing, signing, and distributing physical checks. Automation isn't about being lazy. It's about being smart and efficient. 3. Establish a routine. Consistency is king. Once everything is set up and automated, the final step is to create a consistent, non-negotiable routine. Set a payroll day. Choose a specific day or time before the actual pay date to process payroll. We suggest at least 3 business days before the check date, especially for direct deposit, which can take time to clear. Timesheet deadline. Institute a strict timesheet submission deadline for your employees that gives you enough buffer time. Communicate this clearly. Late sheets mean late pay. The 5-minute check. Before submitting, make it a habit to perform a quick, 5-minute review of the payroll summary. Does the total amount look right? Are there any unexpected zeros or unusually large numbers?